Now, toothpaste. Most toothpaste, commercial toothpaste, are going to have fluoride in it. We don't think fluoride is necessary after super young years of age. It's not as beneficial for the teeth, and I don't think that having fluoride in your mouth is extremely problematic. Not as problematic as having fluoride in the water. But honestly, what we're looking for, if you're healthy teeth, just like healthy skin, come from within. And if you're eating real food, minimizing sugar intake, not because sugar is damaging the teeth, but because sugar weakens your immune system. If you're eating real food, you're getting your fat-soluble nutrients like fat-soluble animal-based vitamin A and the other fat-soluble nutrients, and especially vitamin K2, really, really useful for teeth health and bone health. Then toothpaste should really only be something to make your breath smell okay, right? You're just cleaning what's in your mouth, you're cleaning the grime and all that stuff off and making your mouth smell okay. So I don't think there's really much of a need for fluoride. This is a homemade recipe that is legit. I used to use it when I used to care about making my own. And so this is coconut oil, baking soda, and then you've got some essential oils. The main player is going to be peppermint, and then you can throw in some cinnamon and some clove. All right, if you wanted to put some xylitol or something like that as a sweetener, you could do that. But I don't think it needs it. I think this tastes really great. What's great about the baking soda is a natural kind of deodorizer anyway. It's got a little bit of grit to it, so as you're brushing, it helps to clean your teeth. So this is an awesome little recipe because it's made with coconut oil. When it sits at room temperature, it's kind of like a paste. You can dip your toothbrush in there and brush your teeth, and it's awesome. I loved it. All right. Now, my favorite toothpaste is to simply take some pure peppermint essential oil, put it on my toothbrush, and brush my teeth. And then after I get done brushing my teeth, I brush my tongue. And with that pepper, because anyone who's used essential oil peppermint, especially from a legit company like doTERRA or Young Living, it's so pure and potent. After I get done brushing my teeth, I kind of swish it around and gargle. And you can even swallow it because the peppermint oil is okay to swallow. And that's my breath freshener. That's my toothbrush, my toothpaste. I absolutely love it. And it's simple. I carry a bottle of essential oil in my backpack. I keep one in my Jeep, and I keep one at home. And that's all I use now. Sometimes with this essential oil, I'll take the top off and put a few drops of cinnamon, a couple drops of clove in it. But that's really, in my opinion, all you need because, again, healthy teeth come from within. If you want a store-bought toothpaste, which I know a lot of people do, I've heard amazing things about this David's Natural Toothpaste. A couple people in our community use it. Absolutely love it. And then this Dr. Bright Very Delicious Natural Whitening seems to be something that has really, really good ratings and reviews. And then we see Dr. Bronner's. I love black licorice, so I am actually considering getting the Anise. I think that's how you say it, Anise, because I think that's a black licorice flavor. Dr. Bronner's checks out. EWG has really, really good reviews. I know a lot of people that use Dr. Bronner's, so that's a really, really solid toothpaste.